Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make peanut butter without a mixer. Making your own peanut butter at home is surprisingly simple and incredibly rewarding. You only need a few basic ingredients and some common kitchen tools. We'll explore how to achieve that perfect creamy texture, even if you don't have a high-powered blender or food processor. Get ready to enjoy fresh, homemade peanut butter. If a mixer isn't available, don't worry. A sturdy mortar and pestle can do the job, requiring a bit more effort but yielding excellent results. Alternatively, a hand-crank meat grinder or a grain mill can also break down the peanuts. The key is patience and consistent grinding. As the peanuts release their natural oils, they'll transform into a thick, delicious paste. Remember to scrape down the sides frequently. For the best flavor, start with dry roasted peanuts. You can roast them yourself or buy them pre-roasted. Once ground, you can customize your peanut butter. A small pinch of salt, perhaps 1/4 of a teaspoon, really brings out the nutty taste. For a sweeter spread, consider adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup. Experiment to find your perfect balance of flavors and texture. Once your homemade peanut butter is ready, transfer it to an airtight container. It will stay fresh in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, though it's often so delicious it won't last that long. Enjoy it on toast, with fruit, or straight from the spoon. For other great kitchen tools and deals, including those leak-proof containers mentioned, be sure to check the description below this video. Thanks for watching, and happy spreading.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.